Everything in AutoCAD Plant 3D is centered around working on projects. So it's important to be able to know how to get around the project, opening projects, and the way things that are stored, or the way how they're stored, I should say. So let's take a look at our screen again. And if we wanted to open up a project, we talked about before that you could use the drop-down menu. But remember, there may not be the project that you're looking for in here, so you may have to open it. Well, in the last video, we kind of demonstrated being able to open it from here, but you don't always have to open it from there. You can always go to this start screen. So no matter how many drawings you have open, like if I go ahead and click this for a new drawing, I can still go back to the start screen. And on the start screen, I'll have this option where I can go to open project. So in the section where I have my projects located, now you may have started a project in Vault, so you would be going to your Vault as your default, and we'll talk more about how to set these projects up and where you're going to have your locations at. But make a long story short, right here I have a folder called Acme Refining. So this is where my project is actually located. I can double click on that or hit open, and then you're going to see the various folders that are within the project folder itself. We'll get more into those later, but what I want you to focus on now, the heart of every project is this file here that says project XML. No matter what your project name is, it's always going to say project.xml. Go ahead and open that one, and then that is going to bring you into the project that you are working on. So if I go ahead and I open up this file right here, I'll see that I have no plant drawings here. But if I go ahead and put a new drawing there, and then I can go ahead and call that new drawing and just keep the rest of the defaults, as we'll get into those more later. Now you'll see that you have a new drawing open within the Plant 3D environment. And one of the things to remember is that whenever you open up a specific type of drawing, different palettes are going to follow in with it. As you see, I have a tool palette here that is designed for 3D drawing. You'll see pipe fittings, couplings, crosses, flanges, etc. here. And these are going to follow around the types of drawings that you open it up. Okay, so also remember that Plant is designed so that multiple files can be in use by several people at one time. So that's why whenever we're going to talk about making folders within folders, we'll separate plants into areas, or maybe where specific people will be working on parts of the program at the same time.